Hello, Lee here from the huMAn. Whilst we've been in this lockdown period, we thought it would be an idea to hear from you, from all around the world, to understand where you are, what you're up to, and just to share in this big MA family. So, we want you to send us a quick 15 to 30 second video of where you are, what it's like where you are, how have you been coping? Have you been on the e-learning course? Have you been on the on-PC versions? Or are you lucky enough to have a console or a command wing there and you've been playing around with that? Let us know. Take your phone out, put it on landscape mode because that's how we all watch TV, not like that. And send it to us here at humantalk at humantalk@malighting.com. So that's 15 to 30 seconds long, name, where you are, what you've been up to, and email it across to humantalk@malighting.com. And hopefully you'll see yourself on this channel very soon. Thanks a lot, stay safe.